Today we're talking about what's new in LMDE 7 and why this release makes a lot of sense for people switching away from Windows. LMDE 7 stands for Linux Mint Debian Edition 7. On the surface, it looks like Linux Mint. The same familiar desktop, the same clean layout, the same calm design. But underneath, this version is built directly on Debian 13. That one decision shapes everything you experience. If you're coming from Microsoft Windows, especially Windows 10 or 11, you're probably tired of your system changing without permission. Updates that reboot when you're busy, settings that move around, features that appear, disappear, then reappear with a new name. LMDE 7 feels like stepping away from that noise. Debian 13 is the base here, and Debian is known for doing one thing extremely well: stability. Not flashy stability, quiet stability. The kind where your computer behaves the same way every day. Debian does not rush. It does not chase trends. It only updates when things are ready. That's important because LMDE 7 inherits that mindset. When you install LMDE 7, you're not signing up to be part of an experiment. You're installing a system that wants to stay predictable. For Windows users, this difference is noticeable almost immediately. Let's talk about the desktop experience, because this is where most people either feel at home or feel lost. LMDE 7 uses the Cinnamon desktop. Cinnamon doesn't try to reinvent how computers work. You get a panel at the bottom, a menu in the corner, a system tray that behaves like you expect. Windows open, minimize, and close normally. Nothing floats around, nothing hides itself, nothing assumes you want to relearn basic tasks. If you've used Windows for years, Cinnamon feels familiar in a good way, not a copy, but a continuation of ideas that already make sense. What's new in LMDE 7 is not a dramatic redesign, it's refinement. Animations are smoother, menus respond faster, app launching feels snappier. Even small things like opening settings or browsing files feel more responsive. On older hardware, this matters a lot. Many people switching from Windows are doing so because their perfectly good computer suddenly feels slow. LMDE 7 brings that hardware back to life without forcing compromises. Now let's talk about performance in general. LMDE 7 is efficient. It doesn't run dozens of background services sending data everywhere. It doesn't preload things you didn't ask for. RAM usage stays reasonable. CPU usage stays calm. Fans spin less, battery life improves. The system stays responsive even after hours or days of use. This is not magic. It's just software that respects limits. File management is another area where LMDE 7 feels solid and predictable. The file manager is fast and stable. External drives mount cleanly. Network shares behave properly. Copying files feels reliable instead of stressful. If something goes wrong, the system tells you in clear language. You're not hunting down cryptic error codes or vague warnings. For Windows users, this feels refreshing. The computer explains itself. Now let's talk about software, because this is where fear usually shows up. LMDE 7 comes ready to use out of the box: a web browser, Office tools, media players, system utilities, archive support. Everything needed for daily work is already there. No ads, no trials, no pop-ups asking you to buy upgrades. The software manager is clean and easy to understand. You search for an app, you see where it comes from, you install it. That's it. There's no pressure, no recommendations engine pushing things at you, no surprise installs. If you want to install nothing extra and just use the system, you can. If you want to customize everything later, you can do that too. LMDE 7 doesn't judge how you use your computer. Updates deserve special attention because this is where Windows users usually feel the biggest relief. LMDE 7 does not force updates. It does not reboot on its own. It does not interrupt your work. Updates wait quietly until you're ready. You can apply them today, tomorrow, or next week. The system stays calm either way. And when updates do happen, they're focused. Security fixes, bug fixes, small improvements, not massive feature changes that break workflows. This alone changes how you feel about using your computer. It stops feeling fragile. Security in LMDE 7 follows the same philosophy. Debian 13 provides long-term security updates without rushing new features. That means fewer surprises and fewer broken things. Your system stays secure without constantly reinventing itself. For people who just want their computer to work, this matters more than flashy new features. Hardware support in LMDE 7 is solid with a realistic balance. Most common hardware works out of the box: Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, sound, displays, printers. For everyday systems, setup is usually painless. Very new hardware may need patience because Debian prioritizes stability over being first. For most users, that's a good trade. LMDE 7 also includes the system tools Linux Mint is known for. Backup tools are easy to use. Driver management is simple. System settings are organized logically. You don't need to be a Linux expert to maintain your system. This is important for Windows switchers. You're not expected to learn everything at once. You can use LMDE 7 like a normal computer. Learn more only if you want to. Gaming and specialized software are always worth mentioning honestly. Many games work well, especially through compatibility layers. Everyday apps are easy to replace with Linux alternatives. Some commercial software still doesn't exist natively. LMDE 7 doesn't magically solve every compatibility issue, but it gives you a stable platform to decide what works for you. And that's the key theme of this release. LMDE 7 is not trying to impress you. It's not trying to compete with Windows on flashy features. It's trying to earn your trust. Your computer stops acting like a service. It stops demanding attention. It stops changing rules. You turn it on, you do your work, you shut it down. For many people leaving Windows, that simplicity feels almost strange at first, but once you get used to it, it's hard to go back. LMDE 7 proves that modern operating systems don't need to be noisy, aggressive, or controlling. They can be quiet, stable, and respectful. And for anyone switching from Windows because they're tired of fighting their own computer, LMDE 7 is one of the calmest places you can land.